Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rezkyta Senissa Parni and my friends is
Anisa Habibah.
We will make two conversation about socializing.
The first conversation is at work and the second is on the train.
The first conversation.
Rezkyta, I'm looking forward to the weekend.
What do you like to do in the weekend?
I like to go into a sport area.
What kind of sport do you like?
I like playing badminton. Do you want to join me?
No, thank you. I have other plan in this weekend.
Okay, maybe next time.
The second conversation. Excuse me, miss. Is anyone sitting here?
No, there isn't. You can sit here.
Thanks. By the way, where will you go, miss?
I will go to a conversation. How about you?
I will go to Umar Usman Business School. It is about 15 minutes from Pasar Minggu station.
Oh, cool. Are you a student at Umar Usman Business School?
Yes, I am a student at Umar Usman Business School.
How long you will study in that campus?
1 year, because it is a first diploma, miss.
Wow, what majors?
It is economy and business major, miss, because my dream is want to be an entrepreneur.
Wow, sounds great. I wish you will be a successful passenger in the future.
Amin, insya Allah, miss. Thank you, miss.
Well, this is your stop is coming up. And Pasar Minggu station.
Okay, miss. See you later. By the way, my name is Rezkyta.
I'm Miss Habibah. See you later.